If you look at the past 3 games, we've won 3 and 3, but we haven't played particularly well. But it is what it is, and I think definitely we can be a lot better on the ball and taking our chances. And I think we're snatching at things a little bit, me included. But it is what it is. Sometimes you're the dog, sometimes you're the lamppost. So disappointed. There was enough effort I felt from the lads. Very unfortunate with regards when lady looks against you. It's questionable the penalty. But yeah, you know, I mean, we've lost 2-0 at home. It's never nice. I think it's just a culmination of what's been happening in previous games and on the season. So we're trying to change habits and getting out of bad habits. And hopefully claw something back to sort of inspire, ready for the next kick-off, which is going to be next season.
Dwi'n meddwl, ma'n i ddim yn gallu meddwl am ras I Europe. Dwi'n meddwl ma'n i angen wneud yn siŵr bod ni'n aros yn y gynghrair, a dyna ydy be ma'n i eisiau wneud.
A wedi cael y fuddugoliaeth yna heddiw, mae gennych chi rhywfaint o fwlch wan uwchben y 2 wilod, a mi ydych chi reit yn ei chanol I yn y ras na gyfer y 7th safle, a mae hwnna yn safle reit neis I fod yno fo, swn i'n meddwl, efo 2 gêm gartra'n dod I fyny.
Mae'n neis, ond ma'n i ddim yn gallu anghofio be sy'n gallu digwydd os ma'n i ddim yn canolbwyntio a gael 3 pwynt eto.
Comfortable victory in the end, and as a former defender, I'm sure you're happy to see a clean sheet as well.
Yeah, another clean sheet, two on the bounce now. I thought, to be fair, we started poorly. We didn't shift the ball, had too many long balls. But to be fair, we scored a good goal and got the second half pen, and yeah, we were comfortable. But you know, Jack's made a great save to keep it as a clean sheet.
There's no magic wand, there's no magic formula. Nobody's going to give us anything. We've got to work for ourselves and create it from within. And fair dues to the boys, they're putting every effort in training. Not that we've had too many, but yeah, it's a weekly progress. Baby steps, which they are. There's a lot of youth in the team with a sprinkling of experience, but hopefully the future is going to be good. But at this moment in time, it's a bitter pill to swallow, where week in, week out, we're making, well, as a group, we win as a team and we lose as a team. And I think as a team, we are making a little bit too many mistakes, and we are getting punished for that. So first and foremost, hopefully, we can eradicate that by, let's stop making mistakes, and hopefully we'll get something over the 90 minutes.